Hey guys, today we got a PlayStation 3 Slim in front of us right here, and I'm gonna take it apart, avoid that sweet warranty right here. But first, we have to take the hard drive out, and it's one of the easier parts here. And the blue screw here, the famous one. And as you see, the hard drive is really nasty. And that's the hard drive bay right there. That needs cleaning really bad. Really bad. Oh, let me take it the other side now. And let's do away with the warranty, shall we? Which I never understood how a piece of plastic can prevent you from repairing your stuff. But hey, not a topic for me. But I am not gonna care in this case because it's been so many years and I bought this one already used, so nothing's being lost here. And as you see, one of the pieces is now out and there's a lot of dust and dirt inside there. I'm not sure if the camera is catching everything, but it doesn't seem like it has been opened before, and everything seems actually pretty okay. I expected more, probably rust or something bad here, but no, I don't see any, and I'm very surprised for that. Take this part here. And here's our fan, which is dusty, but not as bad as I thought. Okay. And here's the DVD Blu-ray disc player. It's not that bad. Needs cleaning, but that's all. Oh, there's a lot of cleaning to do right here. And here's the logic board, which, as you see, needs a lot of clean. It is full. The backside looks good. That means it has never been on water. This one will start rusting, especially around the corners. If it was on water or just came in contact with water, they have some cleaning to do in there too. But besides that, all looks pretty okay. Here are the lights, and yes, we need more cleaning to do here, but all this stuff is doable. There's nothing really too complex about it. It's pretty straightforward machine and system. So now for some beautiful sped up footage of me cleaning this thing. Now I'm just gonna let all the pieces rest, and I have plans for this one, so just stay tuned. Probably next video or two I will upload what the plan is with this PS3, because in next video this will not look the same. You will not see what you're seeing right here, so just keep that in mind. And yeah, I think everything came out pretty good and clean as far as I can see or tell, compared to how it was, which was not extremely brutal, but it looks really good. And the fan, the PSU. Everything came out really, really good. And now it's time to let it rest a little bit to air out all the alcohol. And it's time for me to initiate the next part of this video series, I want to say, till we reach the end point of making this PlayStation something that fits more to 2023 modern gaming style. At least the look of it will be something completely different. Please stay tuned and check back when those videos are dropped. And with that said, I thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye.